Welcome, in front of me is a Huawei P40 and today I'll show you how to install Play services on this phone. Now this will also work for the majority of the other Huawei devices that don't come with an app store and stuff like that. So anyway, let's get started. Now it is recommended that for this process you do have a freshly installed device. Once you set it up, you can basically progress with it, and there's a higher chance of this succeeding, or basically a guaranteed chance of it succeeding, at least at this moment, but it might not be so if you already set up your device and have like installed and loaded up with a bunch of different applications. So anyway, starting off, you want to connect to Wi-Fi and then go to your web browser, and in here you want to navigate to hardreset.info/downloads, or just you can navigate to hardreset.info and then pick downloads from there. So like so, info, there we go, and from here on tap on the three bars and go to the download category, and then in the search bar type in dual app, or no, dual space I think it's called. Just search for dual, there we go, dual space application. So click on the download, again scroll down, choose download right here, download, and this will begin downloading. Now from here, before you can install, I believe you do need to grant access for unknown applications. So if you have that prompt, then allow access to it, and if you don't, then simply click on install. And then open it up. Select start, allow. Now it gives us a little guide right here at the first try, and there we go. So it tells us that we can open this. If I can skip this, that would be great. Okay, so there we go. Once it loads up, it gives you the thing to tap on the Play Store. And this will open up Play Store. Play services are already installed, so you can sign in and then start downloading applications. Now I'm not gonna really bother with it, but I will go into apps like, for instance, I guess I do have to sign in to show you something. So let's do that right now, I guess. Like so. Now I'm gonna put in the password, so let me get that off the screen, obviously. And here we go. It does give me an option to install it, so let's do so, just so you can see that I can download things like YouTube. So there is YouTube. Now obviously it does require you to open up dual app every time if you want to download something and download something from Play Store and open apps. But there is a little bit of a trick to it, so you don't have to actually go into here every single time if you want to open something, because when you download apps from Play Store, they will be located right here. So if you want to have them actually accessible on your actual home screen right here, what you can do is simply just hold the app that you want and drag it over to add shortcut or whatever it's calling there, and then click on add, and there we go. Now as you can see, the little camera gets in the way, but all you need to do is drag it over to right here to add it. And once you do so, as you can see, it's right here. It does give you this little icon that it is from this app. It's a shortcut, but nonetheless, when you tap on it, it opens up YouTube, so you can have a quick access to your application. So anyway, that's about it. That's how you install Play Store and services. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.